Good morning, guys. What's going on? Great BTC here, bringing you guys that money talk, the crypto hustle. Let's go. It's day one, it's day two of consensus in Austin, Texas, which is where I am right now. So I'm not going to spend too much time on the stream, but there's a lot of exciting things that I want to share with you guys. So welcome to the stream. If you're just joining us, you already know the rules. If you're not a header, you start by smashing the like button. And of course, you also subscribe to the channel. If you're watching on Instagram and TikTok, come over to YouTube. It's where it happens. Guys, I promised you to talk about the future of runes because I haven't talked about runes in a while. We have been very much focused on Ondo and meme coins and stuff like that. And I think today is the day where we actually talk about the future of runes. Did I give up on runes? The reality is that no, I'm still a big believer, a huge bag holder. I'm buying the dips. But let me give you guys an update of what's going on in the world of runes. Roughly today, what the markets look like is this. We got WIF still climbing. It broke $4 yesterday, retraced a little bit. TIS, it's starting to make its head into relevancy again. WorldCoin coming back with some positive AI news. Shiba Inu is what's coming and climbing up again. Floki has been doing really well in the last 48 hours. Most importantly, the meme coin game is going out of control. So first, I'm going to talk about the main subject for today, which is runes, and then I'll also talk about the meme coins that are happening right now. You guys know that Caitlyn Jenner launched her own coin. We talked about it. We also traded it for those who are in the Alpha group. And then Iggy Azalea launched her own coin yesterday. It's going crazy. All the celebrities are coming in, and I'll give you guys my take on that and what is also the strategy for you to profit, not just to know what's going on, but to profit from all these advancements. So let's get to it, guys. Quickly, Bitcoin as well, worth a little bit of analyzing of what's going on here. BTC USD. BTC retraced a little bit, and the reason for this is basically FUD. The FUD is about Mt. Gox, or let's just say Mt. Gox news. If you search Mt. Gox news, you will find out that Mt. Gox moved some Bitcoin, and because of that, the market is shocked. And a lot of people, well, some people started selling to the fear. So if you're wondering why Bitcoin is taking a little bit of a hit today, this is the reason why. Mt. Gox transfers $9 billion Bitcoin to single address as part of repayment plans. Nearly 107,000 Bitcoins have been moved since early Asian hours on Tuesday, with Bitcoin shedding 1.2% of expectations of selling pressure. Over 140,000 BTC, this is basically the repeat of the same story. But the speculation is that this is part of the plan as part of a repayment structure creditors are planning to do by October 31st, 2024. The market reacted bearishly to these movements, with Bitcoin dropping 1.4% to reach as low as 67,680. So if you have no idea what this news is all about, my friend, I can give it to you raw right now. Mt. Gox was the first big crypto exchange. It got hacked, and the government basically seized a lot of Bitcoin. Now it's worth billions, the Bitcoins that were taken. But back then, it wasn't really that much money. It was a couple of $1 million. But now, these people from Mt. Gox are about to get paid. The government, the United States government, put together a plan to pay people around the world, mostly in America and Japan and other places in the world. And the plan of how they're going to sell this Bitcoin is not clear, but the fact that they moved the coins from the initial wallet to another wallet, it might be part of the plan for them to start selling these Bitcoins because they need to pay out the BTC. As you may know, the governments are a little bit scammy. So I don't think they're planning to return people's Bitcoin. They're planning to pay them back in US dollars, which is going to sort of put some selling pressure on Bitcoin, and a lot of people are concerned. So if this happens, I'm not going to sugarcoat it to you guys. It's going to have an effect on the market. Billions of dollars is a lot of money. $9 billion is a lot of money. If they sell all this Bitcoin, of course, they're not going to sell it all at once unless they're that stupid, which I wouldn't be surprised. Most people in government aren't really that smart. But I don't expect them to do that. So they might sell it a little bit in trenches, and the effect might not be as dire as possible. Another possibility is that they might just dump it on BlackRock or any other ETF provider as an OTC deal on a discount. That's basically what's going on. Now, let's get back into the juicy of today's live stream, the juicy part of it. Why are we here? Runes are now climbing back up. What you're looking at is a category of runes on CoinW. We have decentralized, dog, meme rune, Satoshi, and RSIC. All of these coins now, they are in green, with dog being the top dog of the day with 55% rising. And I told you a couple of days ago, if anything, you should be buying the dips. And meme rune about 17%, Satoshi 19%, and RSIC is now up 18% in the last 24 hours. So I want to show you guys what's going on with dog right now. Dog just hit a new all-time high, which means if you bought dog on the first day of launch, you're now in profit because it was down for a bit. But now you're in profit. You should not worry anymore. Dog USD. But there's something really interesting that I want to show you guys. So stick around for a moment. I will show you the most important part about all this. So this is now the chart for dog. It launched over here. It retraced a lot. And I say to everybody, buy the dip if you find the opportunity. And it made this U shape, and now it's up. It just broke out. It's up to speed. I don't think there is any more stopping this coin. Most exchanges have been listing a lot of Solana memes, and the runes or the Ordinal ecosystem has kind of been dead a little bit. I think Dog might start bringing it back when they start listing the coin. So at this point, if you look at the market cap of Dog right now, let's have a look. Dog's market cap is now $615 billion, fully diluted. 615 million, sorry, right? At this point, I think this coin can simply do a 5x by the time the meme narrative returns. So what does that mean? What does that look like? Okay, if you compare that to WIF right now, Dog with Hat, you're looking at a market cap of $3.8 billion. So Dog still has quite a bit to go as far as the Bitcoin narrative catches on of like, say, hey, this is the first meme on top of the Bitcoin blockchain and all that kind of stuff, which is what Dog is going for. And then we can also look at all the other ones. The one that is seem to be struggling is RSIC. Now, I need you guys to understand this. Okay, this is RuneCoin. It hasn't recovered at all. It's still underwater, which means if you bought on the first day, you're right now down bad. Still, you basically are at a loss at the moment. That might sound like a bad thing for those who have no idea how to trade, but this coin to me is more credible and much better than Dog. Dog is a hype coin. It's getting over promoted on Twitter. It has a great community, but RSIC is a much more original runes project. This was the RSIC miner stuff, and it has two areas of breakpoints. We have roughly around here at 0.0098. If it breaks out, the next resistance level is going to be somewhere around here at 0.011. After that, we're off to the races. So I think even from this point, this is a good buying opportunity all the way until recovery. By the time it recovers even the launch price, it's 84% from where it's at now, which I think is going to happen at any time from now. So if you're looking for a meme coin to double your money, I think this is the one because, I mean, you don't really have much to worry about. All it has to do is just recover and a little bit more, 100%, and then you've doubled your dough, which Dog has already done this. And then you also got Satoshi Nakamoto. Let's have a look. Satoshi Nakamoto on Gate.io. Satoshi is also in the same category. Good levels to pick it up until it recovers. If you're scared to hold this kind of stuff, then a good strategy already right now is to just buy these levels and your sell order should just be on recovery. So by the time this coin recovers to its previous all-time high, it's already going to be 266%. By the way, all of these coins are listed on CoinW. You can get an account there. Link is in the description. There is also farming. So if you're holding Dog, for example, you can go into CoinW Earn and put it on there, and you're going to be generating passive APY on that because you're holding some runes right there. So decentralized, I'm personally not holding decentralized at the moment, but I know some people are doing. The volume is $192 million. It's actually a lot higher than Dog itself and also the meme itself. It's actually the highest here, which is very surprising. But RSIC is still good. $39 million worth of trading volume is good. Let's just look at the RSIC. Let's look at the CoinGecko numbers here. What's the volume? Okay, so that's kind of strange. I think the number I would trust on trading volume right now is 7 million. Because I think what CoinW is doing is aggregating across all the exchanges. Because it doesn't make sense for decentralized to have a higher trading volume than Dog and RSIC, in my opinion. Let's see. Decentralized. Yeah, anyway. Other Rune projects that I'm bullish on are PAPS. PAPS is right here. PAPS World Peace. It successively did the integration on Ordinals. And right now, we're starting to see a little bit of a recovery here. And I'm also extremely bullish on PAPS. So you can see, guys, PAPS is also down bad. But among all these coins, PAPS is also one of the main coins to be respected. So the volume is a little bit too low on the Runes version because it's not listed on a lot of exchanges. But if you look at the Solana version, you'll see that PAPS is still alive and well. PAPS Ordinals. So $3 million worth of trading volume, I think it's a good sign right there. And it's down bad in the last 30 days, 14 days, 7 days. Another opportunity. So across the board, I think right now is a good opportunity to just add in more of these meme coins. If you feel especially missing out on the Solana stuff, this is a good meta to jump on, and you know you're not buying the top, then you can just wait for recoveries and beyond. Most importantly, if you look at stacks or the Bitcoin ecosystem is currently struggling because the liquidity is moving away, rotating towards Ethereum at the moment. So just look at stacks. It's now under $2 at the moment, been down bad recently because the meta has changed. A few months ago, it was all about the Bitcoin ecosystem. You know, we have seen stacks from 0.6 all the way up to $3.8, an all-time high, and then, is it an all-time high? Yeah, it's actually an all-time high. And then it returned. We're now at $1.9. That's the thing. So do not be surprised why Runes or why is already not pumping or any Bitcoin ecosystem stuff. It's just that that's not the meta right now. If you guys got any questions, drop them in there. I'll answer them. Let's go. And then we can talk about the meme coins with Iggy Azalea and all these other people. All right. So before we close, let's talk about the Solana memes because that is the juice of the market right now. Everybody is excited about this. We have Caitlyn Jenner with her Jenner coin, and she's still promoting it on Twitter, but it's starting to struggle a little bit, 27% down in the last 24 hours. Market cap still holding up above 10 million. It's now $16.5 million. And um, she has tried to clear things up a little bit with the scammer who was known to be behind this project. But now I think she's trying to clean it up. And now she's really coming back, promoting whenever she can, talk about the coin. She will be back on Spaces today. Basically, she says that she has a huge announcement for Jenner. So if you're a Jenner trader or you bought the coin, it's time to have a look or maybe join the space to sort of be on top of things. That's what's going on in there. And then she also issued a letter, or she showed a screenshot proving that she sued the person who was behind, who the developer Sahil, who was behind her project because he screwed her. And this coin has now been listed on Hobby HTX, and you can also see here that Caitlyn Jenner herself reposted that. Moving on to the next thing, similar news to this kind of stuff. Iggy Azalea launched her own coin. It's called Mother. She was also brought into the space by Sahil himself, but she distanced herself from him, calling him a scammer. And then yesterday she launched her own coin called Mother. The funny thing about this coin is that it was up for 4 hours on pump before she posted it and it went live. And if anybody had some inside information or you were just curious and bought some, you could have printed hundreds of thousands of dollars within minutes. Because after she announced it and she went on Spaces with a bunch of crypto degenerates, it went bananas. Let me show you guys. It's called Mother Iggy. There you go. Currently sitting at $19.9 million of market cap. Fully diluted 20 million as well. Liquidity of almost $1 million. Okay, now I have sold Jenner coin. I sold all my Jenner coins. I might regret it in the future. Who knows? I might buy it again. Who knows? I have trouble understanding or thinking that she might make it work. And it seems like a lot of people in crypto did not like what she did with Sahil and stuff. But Iggy, on the other hand, is getting a lot of support. And there's only one reason for this, is because she's hot. And crypto has a lot of simps and degenerates. So they're all camping together on Twitter Spaces, talk about it, and they're supporting Iggy and whatever. And there's this whole thing of Ansem Angels, which they're trying to recruit Iggy into that. I think there is potential here that Iggy could make this project work if she gets the support that she needs. So what I've done, I've just bought a couple of coins, nothing major, just in case it becomes another one of those that goes to like 100 mil or whatever. So that's basically what I've done. It could go to zero, or it could just be flirting around small market cap range and dies out. But she's such a degenerate person. Like, her character matches out with a lot of what people in crypto tend to like to do. Okay, I can show you some of the posts that she made since she launched the project. And it's kind of provocative, like things like this. It's provocative images. She's sexualizing herself. And as you guys know, you might like it or not, but the crypto NFT and meme community, all these guys with monkey PFPs behind their profiles, that's what they like. They're like losers in life. So they like this kind of stuff. So we might see this working out. I think it's a risk if you don't take a little bit of this coin, just in case it works. You never know. I think that's a risk. That's all I'm going to say. So that is the end of this live stream. I think we talked about everything that's important. You can see Iggy has now turned her whole life about promoting this coin. The truth is, a lot of these celebrities are broke. They don't make that much money. So if they see an easy opportunity of making $1 million by just posting nonsense without signing contracts or getting into the studio to actually be creative, I mean, guys, it's definitely something that would jump on top of it and try and make money. We have seen it before in the previous bull runs. And before, right now, they used to ignore to be like, oh, I'm not into crypto because it was, they had to pretend that they have created this project, it's futuristic, and they didn't seem like they were understanding what was going on. But now the model for launching their own coins has just become memes. It doesn't mean anything, there's no utility, it's all about the vibes, it's all about the culture. So you will see a lot of these coming out. I think it's the new trend now where celebrity meme coins are going to become a thing. How do you find out about it? Be on Twitter and also be on pump.fun. Everything around this stuff is happening on Pump. When people are launching their coin, you can see it all here. You just have to be exploring until you find something that you like, and then you can launch it. And you can see what happens from there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So do you guys got any questions? I think we have covered the most important part of the market on this live stream. Thank you guys for watching. Celeb meme tokens, you think this is a new trend emerging? Yeah, I think this is definitely a new trend going on. Especially if the female the female celebrities come into the space. Like crypto has a lot of, most of the DJs are Sims, but they got money off like buying shit coins or they invested in Bitcoin early. So they dream of dating celebrity girlfriends, whatever. So if you see them coming in, these guys are going to be throwing money at these projects. If you went on the spaces, guys are throwing $50,000 to buy these celebrity meme coins. They're like, if Caitlyn Jenner retweets my tweet, I'm going to put 75K on our coin. And then she does, and then somebody else actually goes and buy it. So you have to follow the culture, you have to understand what's going on, and then you can take advantage of it. Stan says, I'm glad I got into crypto when I did because it's been a turning point for me financially. Best decision by far. Oh man, Stan, congratulations to you. It's really amazing to see a lot of people now finding success in crypto. That's exactly what we need. A lot of people need to know this, that we talk about nonsense here sometimes, memes and celebrities, things that don't make sense, but it makes money. That's the thing. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So guys, I'm going to leave the stream. I have to attend a consensus event today. Everybody is there. Ansem, Michael Seller, I think. Let me just show you the roster of the speakers there. And I'm speaking at one of the side events later today. So make sure you're there if you want to hang out. Consensus Austin. This is the event. It's in Austin, Texas, United States. If you want to be there, I will see you around there. These are some of the speakers that will be there. Michael Seller, Robert Kennedy, Mike Novogratz, Kathy Wood, Yat Su, Cassie, the creator of Runes, is actually going to be there. So I'll try I will see if I can manage to catch him. That would be dope. All right. All right. I will see you guys there if you're going to be around. Otherwise, have fun enjoying Web3 trading, meme coins. If you are not in our alpha group, you better join. Go to cryptouniversity.network because that is exactly where you will be on top of everything. We do group trading sessions, research, Everything that I invest, I share it first with the Alpha Group, including meme coins too. So you will never miss out on good opportunities and investment. Otherwise, I'll see you guys later. To all the Ando investors, we're cooling off a little bit, which makes sense. We had to take a break. So we're sitting at $1.19. But best believe that we're still on the way up, guys. Okay? Ando is available on Bybit. And all the meme coins that I told you guys are available on CoinW and OKX. Links to these platforms are in the description below. Make sure you use my link to get all the benefits, up to $30,000 worth of bonuses out there. Take care, amigos.